Do you want to know how much money as a small YouTuber like myself with 88,000 subscribers makes? If so, make sure to stick around to the end because in this video, I'm going to reveal my 2021 earnings and share my top 3 strategies that will help you get started with YouTube the right way so you could build a sustainable business. So let's go ahead and dive right in. Tip number 1 is just get started. So YouTube is all about the authenticity of your content, and you don't need to be a professional videographer with expensive equipment. Just use what's in front of you, whether that means capturing video on an iPhone or an Android phone and using natural light whenever it's possible. The key is to leverage YouTube as your marketing platform and use it for everything from promoting your products, your services, or even yourself. Tip number 2 is be intentional with your videos. So, what does it mean to be intentional about the types of videos you upload? It means that your video content should reflect and validate what services or products you offer. You can show off past successes, talk from a customer's perspective on their pain points solved by using your product, and this will lend credibility to potential clients who may not have otherwise known about you before. Tip number 3 is have an email list set in place. If you want to be successful on YouTube, start an email list from day one. It's the best way for beginners who are not approved YouTube partners to monetize their videos from day one, right? So every time you post a new video, you should offer something of value or some sort of incentive to grow your email list on autopilot and generate sales even if you have a small channel or no followings. So there you have it, 3 strategies to help you get started with YouTube the right way. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And now let's jump into my dashboard to reveal my YouTube earnings for 2021. So here we are on the back end of my channel analytics, and I wanted to share with you guys 4 of my metrics for 2021 that are important as a YouTuber. Now keep in mind, YouTube pays you based on how many people watched your videos, how many people clicked on them. It has nothing to do with subscriber count. Now, the 4 metrics I wanted to share, the first one is views. So for 2021, I got 3.7 million views. That's an increase of 117% from the previous year. And this is a really huge metric for YouTube as well as you as a YouTuber. Watch time, I got 218,000 views. That's a 58% increase from the previous year. Subscribers, and thanks for everyone who has subscribed to my channel, I had an increase of 31% and my total subscriber gain was 41,841 subscribers for 2021. Now for what you guys been waiting, my estimated revenue for 2021 was $40,537.85. And that's an increase of 108% from the previous year. As you can see, this is a part-time job or a full-time job. There are many people out there that make $40,000 a year on a full-time job. And this is a potential that you guys could have by having your very own YouTube channel. If you have any questions about starting a YouTube channel, please leave them below in the comment section and I'll be more than happy to answer them. And thanks for watching.